guys, and today we're going to be disassembling GAN 354M. Now this is smaller than normal cubes, but let's start by taking off the center cap. Okay, so now that I got the centers removed, now let's loosen the tensions. Wow, the green. See, this is the green side actually. This is yellow. Oh my gosh. It's dark green. I don't get how that is possible. This case is like, so, shoot. Whatever. Let me deal with these springs later. We just need this. Anyways, we just need to do one side. Let's start taking this apart. So, oh wow, just comes out like that. So if you can see, look at this. It's really cool. Honeycomb designs and stuff like that. And let's take this part out. We're gonna reassemble this too. There we go. And this is what it looks like. So these things can come out like that. And now if you want to, I'm just gonna do a speed of putting it back together. Well, first I pretty much need to do this.